Hello, friends. Lesson 4 of XPCIE1032H card is coming. Last video is about EtherCAT initialization in C#. If you are the beginner, please review the series. Actually, there are 3 EtherCAT modes of the card. They are CSP, the period position mode; CSV, the period speed mode; CST, the period torque mode. Corresponding axis types should be 65, 66, 67. That is, please set correct axis type to achieve mode. At the same time, the drive also should include these 3 modes. Then, related data dictionary is 607A, 60FF, 6071. Check basic programming manual. The key command is drive profile. Through this command, configure PDO list that includes 3 modes. Here, mode 18 is OK. And please note for CSV and CST modes, they use DAC command. When switching them, set DAC as 0 at first. Then, change the ATYPE. Therefore, one XPCIE1032H card controls one Panasonic drive by EtherCAT. Then, use C# to develop. Before that, through basic language, edit initialization and PDO configuration. Next, edit motion codes in C#. This is routine C# UI interface. And exact codes. You can contact us to get full routine codes. Same, use fast open to connect to the card by way of local. Parameters should be correct. 5 means local connection. Then, use BA down to select edited basic file. And download it into control card RAM. RAM means it will not save when power down. You also can save it into ROM by setting this parameter as 1. This part, CSP, position mode. We can set these axis parameters to limit the motion. Use forward or reverse command to control it directly. Units means axis pulse amount. Speed means axis running speed. Accel and decel mean acceleration and deceleration. This part, CSV, velocity mode. It uses DAC command. You can set needed DAC value. Bigger value, faster speed. Then, use this command to limit the torque under speed mode. This part, CST, torque mode. Use this command to set the max torque. Use this to set target torque. At the same time, limit the speed under torque mode by this. And here, we can know motion states and get motion data. A type means axis type. 65 corresponds to CSP mode. 66 corresponds to CSV mode. 67 corresponds to CST mode. DPOS means axis target position. MPOS means axis measurement position. Okay, next, let's run it. At the beginning, please remember to start MotionRT 7. Debug it. Okay, connected. Select basic file, download it. After that, we can check initialization state. How many EtherCAT axes? And EtherCAT axis starting number. Test CSP mode at first. After setting, click forward. It will run forward all the time. DPOS value is increasing. Click reverse, it runs inversely. Then, DPOS is reducing. Switch to CSP. Change this value to control the motion speed. 0 means stopped. And only when DAC is 0, it can switch to CSV mode. Now, switch to CST mode directly. After these 3 are set well. Run it. It can be seen it is running according to configurations. Okay, now, 3 modes of EtherCAT are introduced and shown. Any needs, welcome.